Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GPS on your Chrysler Pacifica. First, ensure your vehicle is on and in park. Locate the Nav or Navigation button on your Uconnect system's touchscreen. Tapping this button will bring up the main navigation interface. From there, you can begin entering your desired destination. We'll cover both manual input and voice command options to get you on your way quickly and efficiently. This initial step is crucial for accessing all navigation features. Once on the navigation screen, you have two primary ways to enter a destination. You can use the on-screen keyboard to type in a full address, including street, city, and state. Alternatively, press the voice command button, usually found on your steering wheel, and clearly state your destination. For example, say navigate to 123 Main Street, Anytown. The system will then process your request and display potential routes for your selection. Always confirm the correct address before proceeding. As you begin your journey, the Pacifica's GPS will provide clear, spoken turn-by-turn directions. These prompts will guide you through each intersection and exit, ensuring you stay on track. The map display on your Uconnect screen will also show your current position, the upcoming route, and often provide lane guidance for complex interchanges. You can easily adjust the volume of these navigation prompts through the audio settings, ensuring they are audible without being distracting. Pay attention to both visual and audio cues for a smooth trip. Beyond basic navigation, your Pacifica's GPS offers several advanced features. You can customize your route preferences to avoid tolls, highways, or even ferries, depending on your travel needs. Additionally, saving frequently visited locations as favorites allows for quick selection without re-entering the full address each time. This can be a huge time saver for daily commutes or regular trips. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Utilizing these features enhances your overall driving experience and makes navigation even more convenient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.